Hello, people. Oh, my camera's in bad condition. I can set it on the floor. Dang it, it's not doing it. Hopefully it'll do it like this. Hope I don't get gasoline. But this is the Homelite 2 Super. This is what they used to make the chainsaw off of Evil Dead 2. And I'm gonna be remodeling this to the chainsaw arm replica. It got everything accurate. The caps, I did everything accurate to the caps. I need to replace the pull cord. I don't need to replace that. But I need to I'm gonna gut this out. And I'm gonna take every heavy thing out of this. And drill a hole in the back, get a PVC coupler. So I can put my hand in. It's gonna be replace this top part with another part. And then have a little wooden dowel stick where I can hold it. And I'm gonna make it more lighter. I'm gonna keep the gas tank in it, but I'm not gonna. It won't be a real chainsaw anymore when I'm finished with it. It would still be a chainsaw, but it wouldn't work no more. Yeah, it's the Homelite 2 Super. So yeah, that's a little quick update there. And oh yeah, this has been requested by MaskBoy1234. Here is my Jason X mask by Don Post, which is the rare ones. This is very awesome. Very nice detail too. The big old bump in the back and everything. The hockey mask is very good detail too. As you can see, I added a glass eye to it. Here's the mask itself, and here's the under mask, which is very awesome. Look at it. It's so detailed. Teeth look acrylic, but it ain't. I'm very glad that this mask, I got it off of eBay, so it was for a cheap price too. Look at the detail. Soak it in, fellas. Just like Darth Magnus says. Soak it in. And detail it here. You can see the blood. Well, that's all for the collection update there, and a really quick review. And that's Jason X mask by Don Post. Hope you enjoyed it, but it's really good, really cool. So bye people, subscribe, rate, and comment, and remember, Endless 72 Productions!